Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker and welcome back to the channel. Just the other day, it was Saturday actually, I brought you a very interesting special on 1 ounce silver rounds, and it was actually from Walmart. I know a lot of you were very skeptical about buying silver from Walmart. There's been fake stuff sold on Walmart because Walmart's kind of a marketplace like Amazon, so anybody can sell. But this special that I brought you was actually shipped and sold by APMEX, and as we all know, APMEX is one of the biggest silver bullion dealers in the world, so you didn't have to worry about getting fakes or not getting it at all because it was shipped and sold by APMEX, who is just using Walmart Marketplace as basically a storefront to move more silver. And they had a special at $2.99 over spot for a tube of 1 ounce silver buffaloes. That was a fantastic deal. Now, unfortunately, and I noticed this in a lot of the comments, that there were some people having issues with sales tax where Walmart was accidentally, or I should say erroneously, charging sales tax to their state where their state normally doesn't charge sales tax on silver bullion. Now, some states were fine. Mine, for example, was just fine. I didn't have any issues, but I did see comments from some people in certain states that were being taxed where they shouldn't have. That being said, a lot of people got to take advantage of that deal, and that was very, very awesome. In fact, because of the way that deal works out and because of how it works on Walmart's website, I saw comments from people that used gift cards that they had, people that used rewards credit cards that got them 2, 3, 4% back because there was no upcharge for using a credit card like you normally see on a Bullion website. So for example, if you go to APMEX's own website and you get them for 4 over, but if you use a credit card, they charge you another 4%, which makes it almost 5 over. So you didn't have to pay that fee either. You also had free shipping, so it was an incredible deal for some people that unfortunately didn't work for everybody. That's unfortunate, but I have another special for you today that I want to share with you, and we're going to revisit Walmart's deal because the prices went up a little bit, but it's still not bad if you're in one of those areas that doesn't get charged sales tax properly, whereas in not one of the states that erroneously gets charged sales tax. So let's take a look at these websites. Let's take a look at these specials. But before we do, if you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, go down below and make sure you do. It really helps me out. It's free and I appreciate it. And you won't have to worry about missing out when I find other specials that I will share on this channel. All right, let's take a look at these specials. All right, so the first one we'll take a look at is again the Walmart special, which is $516.60 as I record this. That is $3.49 over spot. That is 50 cents higher than it was when I recorded the video on Saturday. But if you're in a state that doesn't get erroneously charged sales tax, where normally you wouldn't anyway, you're able to use a rewards credit card. You can earn points back. And maybe you have Walmart gift cards laying around. You can use those as well. That's all great ways to buy silver straight from Walmart through APMEX. So basically from APMEX through Walmart, I should say. And you don't have to worry about them being fake. They're coming from APMEX. There's already been people in the comments of that video on Saturday that have already received their silver order. So this is awesome if you're able to take advantage of that and you don't get charged sales taxes. The other deal that Walmart had is still there at $3.50 over spot for the $258.30 right now at current spot prices for the 10 1 ounce APMEX silver rounds. But like I said at the title of this video and at the beginning, we have another special to share with you, which I think you guys would be excited about. And that is coming from SDBullion's website. SDBullion actually has a 2-day sale going on right now for their Freedom 1 ounce silver rounds at $2.99 over spot. Now, unfortunately, like the Walmart deal, you will get charged if you use a credit card or PayPal. It's an extra $1.05 if you use a credit card or PayPal through SDBullion's website, but you do get free shipping, and SDBullion knows how to tax and not tax the states that don't charge sales tax on silver rounds. So if you're in one of the states that was erroneously getting charged sales tax through Walmart, you won't have to worry about that here. And these are pretty cool design silver rounds. If you take a look, it's the Freedom Eagle, and then the reverse has the SDBullion logo. So they're pretty cool looking rounds to boot, but they're $2.99 over. If you pay check or wire, you get the free shipping. That's how I recommend doing it. You can call them up if you're not sure how to do that. Something else I want to talk to you guys about while we're talking about SDBullion, they have this special right now, this sweepstakes, if you will, for a 2022 monster box of Silver Eagles. I have a link down below for that. If you guys haven't clicked it yet, go down there and get your entry in. It's very simple. It's free to get entered. Yeah, that link is down below, and you can actually enter in to have a chance at winning a full monster box of 1 ounce 2022 Silver Eagles. So there's all the information down below at the bottom of the page with the rules and all that. And one thing I want to tell you, because last time I talked about this, there were people that were putting their email address in and it wasn't working. Keep in mind right here, it talks about how if you have a Brave browser or an ad blocker, etc., that it may not work when entering. So make sure that you disable those before you enter the giveaway so that it goes through. But that is something else you can take advantage of while you're over on SDBullion's website, taking advantage of that $2.99 deal. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit and found a special that works for you. If you did, leave me a comment down below and let me know how it went for you. How did the Walmart deal go for you as well? If you were able to get in on that the other day, I would love to hear. So thank you so much. Again, don't forget to subscribe before you go, especially if you don't want to miss out on more specials like this as I bring them to you. And with that said, we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.